Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve x power 4 by 3 equal 27 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x power 4 by 3 equal, I can write it as 27 by 1. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes x power 4 equal 27 times 3. So x power 4 equal 27. I can write it as 3 cube times 3 power 1. Now as per exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So x power 4 equal 3 power 3 plus 1. So x power 4 equal 3 power 4. So we can write this as x power 4 minus 3 power 4 equals 0. So x power 4, I can write it as x square whole square minus 3 power 4 as 3 square whole square equals 0. Now I am going to use the identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So x square plus 3 square times x square minus 3 square equals 0. So first case, x square plus 3 square equals 0. So here I am going to use the identity, that is a square plus b square, which is equals to a plus b iota times a plus a minus b iota. So it becomes x plus 3 iota times x minus 3 iota equals 0. So first case, x plus 3 iota equals 0. So x is equals to minus 3 iota. And second case, x minus 3 iota equals 0. So x is equals to 3 iota. Now here second, x square minus 3 square equals 0. So x square equal, again I'm using the identity a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this as x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals 0. So first case, x plus 3 equals 0. So x is equals to minus 3 and x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 3. So what are the four values of x? X is minus 3 iota, x is plus 3 iota, x is minus 3, and x is 3. So these are the four values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.